didn't get that one.
You don't want Uncle Sam?
No, I don't want Uncle Sam. Damn Uncle Sam.
Oh, he said we need you.
No, I don't want that looked like something else at first.
I thought it was okay.
I just happened to look up.
Sarah really know, but you know it's a rocket. Right, no. Very valid.
Ooh, something beat the shit out of me.
Be careful, mosquitoes are carrying all kinds of new diseases now.
I don't want to hear about it. I just got back from Florida and they told me my ass.
That's the company that made Grand Theft Auto.
That's the IRS eat.
That could be Navy. Oh,
Is that Navy?
Yeah, one of them.
Delta. Star Trek.
They did that last year.
Yeah, they did all that.
This is a good spot on here.
It was a really good spot. I wasn't getting what you were saying. I'm thinking about that little fort right there. I wasn't thinking this one.
What's it typing? What's it saying? What? Look at it.
Boy, just look at it.
Okay, maybe this boy's been 100 miles.
I can't believe that's all drums. I saw them all. They was lined up like a little army on the parking lot.
And I got on the skirt.
40? Oh, well, never mind.
But you know, they did this last year. It was like the first 15 minutes was drums, and then the last couple was everybody ready for the noise. been stopped since the forward. Ain't nobody went. The light
Nobody.
turned green. Ain't nobody went.
They should stop. They should stop.
Mhm.